Got something to say? All right, guys, let's get down to it and help make you some money. My stock suggestion is a company called InfoBox. The symbol is BLOX. In the last couple of years, it was a grand slam for me, then a grand disaster. Now it's back to being a grand slam again. They've beaten the street in each of the last 4 quarters. I mean, really beaten them. To tell you how bad they beat them. In the last 4 quarters, they beat consensus by 133, 267, and 80% above what the street thought. Why? They've got a really great, unique situation with their IT infrastructure and what they call their DDI solution, which creates this virtualization environment and also for IP addresses. It's an amazing product. The adoption of it has been absolutely phenomenal. It's for hybrid cloud stuff, network automation, serving the DNS markets. Over the last quarter, revenues were up 11% quarter over quarter, 22% year over year, but the margins are going up nicely. They're at 80% on the gross margins, and they're starting to bring money to the bottom line. I love this name. It's been as high as $47 back in October 2007. You're looking right now what I call a true breakout. What's that? When a company moves to a new 52-week high on better than average volume, I think it goes to 30, and I think it even goes higher than that. Matt, what do you think of this one?
I'm really torn on this. I love the business model. The plan that it has is fantastic. Technically speaking, you can't have a better looking chart, but then when I look at the fundamentals, I'm a bit concerned. They made 34 cents a share last year, only predicted to make about 31 this year, 41 next year. If they keep coming in at 80 to 100%
41
above,
is pretty good, no? But you want to double.
For this valuation, forward PE of 62, you need to have a better earnings growth. But if they come in, like you said, 80% higher, 70% higher, then I like it. But technically, you can't argue with it.
That 31 cents 2005 to 41 cents 2016, that 33% growth is enough for me, and it's a very sweet spot in networking equipment and with these IP addresses. Yeah. I think we're looking at it to put in our newsletter.
You know, Steve, the stock's been all over the place. Again, it was a grand slam for us. Then we got hammered on it pretty good, and we're up nicely on it now, and I think it continues to go higher. How do you handle a stock like this? Because I noticed that you watch movements minute to minute, and right now you've got to at least like the movement on this stock.
Right. No, I have to say that. And listen, I don't know this company not nearly as well as you do, but it is Lazarus, right? It's back from the dead, and it seems like it's going to do fine from here. But I will say more generally, technology, and I'm skeptical stocks on the whole, but U.S. tech is trading great. If you look at semiconductors, you look at Apple, you look at biotech, the price action is fantastic. So if you are going to be invested in stocks right here, I think U.S. tech is the place to be.
Yeah, I mean, a lot of names I've had on this show, guys, are up huge. SWKS, I don't know if you guys, I know a lot of you guys are in it. We took profits on half, let the rest ride from here. It's a grand slam. Now, let's